An important component in today's top-load washer is a device called an actuator or shifter assembly. What it does is it works in conjunction with your main control board and your DC motor, and it basically allows the control board to know what direction the motor is turning in and how fast. And it needs to know this so that it can either do its agitation cycle or its spin cycle. So the actuator does two things. It provides information to the board, and it will electrically and mechanically shift the clutch or splutch for the transmission to take it from an agitate to a spin, and alternately from a spin to an agitate. So you can see that power runs into your main control board, and out to neutral on your main control board. The actual shifter itself, or actuator, depending on the manufacturer what they call it, inside there's a small electric motor, works on 120 volts AC, gets that power from the main control board. You can test the continuity on that control board. If you have your power turned off and your multimeter set on continuity, you can test the motor winding, and typically the wiring diagram will give you the information anywhere from 2,000 to 3,500 ohms, and that motor would be testing good. So if the actuator is not functioning, it's not moving, then it's a good chance it could be this motor. If there is continuity and the motor is just sitting there humming and not moving, then you need to replace your shifter or your actuator. The actuator or shifter also has a couple other components in it. It's got an on-off switch, which is basically telling the board what position that the actuator is in, so it knows whether it's ready to go to spin or it's ready to go to agitate. It also has an optical sensor in it. The optical sensor reads a reflective stripe on a wheel inside the transmission, so it knows how fast it's going. So the board needs to know for agitate it's going to turn a certain direction at a certain speed, and in spin it's going to turn the opposite direction at a different speed level. So very important what the shifter does. If you're having issues with it as far as not agitating, not spinning, it could very well be your shifter. A few tests you're able to do, some you need to be able to put your control board into diagnostics, and if you don't have the information on how or have a schematic in order to do these tests, then you're going to want to have a service technician come in and take a look at that for you and run their tests.